In 1709, it was here in the West Midlands of England that Abraham Darby began smelting iron ore with coke instead of charcoal to produce cast iron, and the Industrial Revolution was born. Industry would never be the same again, and the West Midlands became known as the workshop of the world. However, during the latter half of the 20th century, the region's traditional industries started to decline. Today things are changing. Once again, the West Midlands is an innovative industrial and commercial centre, attracting business from around the world. The region is home to more than 50% of UK registered patents. The Regional Development Agency, Advantage West Midlands, works to ensure that the region is seen as an attractive investment proposition for companies. Advantage West Midlands does this by showcasing up its commitment to the environment and actively encourages sustainable industrial practices as opposed to the high-polluting industries. The strategy seems to be working. In the past 2 years, Advantage West Midlands has attracted over £75 million in private investment into the region.
I think the West Midlands is an ideal location for businesses looking for a low carbon economy, because we are the home to the Industrial Revolution. We are the inventors of the high carbon economy, so actually there's a nice symmetry about us being the pioneers in inventing the low carbon economy.
To achieve this goal of inventing the low carbon economy, Advantage West Midlands has funded what it calls the National Industrial Symbiosis Program, or NISP. NISP is a pioneering project that looks at ways to use waste from its member companies as the raw material for other businesses. Over the past 3 years, NISP has helped businesses in the region to reduce carbon emissions by over 4 million tonnes. This is expected to increase to 20 million tonnes in the next 5 years. Credential Environmental is one of NISP's success stories.
I think overall, with the help of NIST and the infrastructure that Credential already had in place and its key location in the Midlands here, we were able to make heavy investment into the plant that you see behind, which has then allowed for these large supply contracts to take place and the large amount of recycling the company does.
The 70,000 tonne a year capacity site takes in used tyres for shredding. Some of the shredded material is used as fuel by other companies, and also in the production of other products such as underseals and sealants. Most of the shredded tyres are processed further and broken down again in a process known as cryogenics. The resulting powder-sized rubber is called rubber crumb. Once Credential identified the process that produced the rubber crumb, the next step was to find a buyer for it. Once again, NISP stepped in to help.
Once we'd actually identified the process, we then needed to find a market for that rubber crumb. And what we did again was drop in the final piece of the jigsaw in Field Track Incorporated, an American-based company that was able to take that rubber crumb and turn it into artificial sports services. So as a result, they were able to create a new business opportunity that actually generated £13 million worth of additional sales in its first year and processes over 5 million waste tyres.
Field Turf Target, a US-based manufacturer, agreed to buy 3/4 of the site's output. The Credential plant will process around 70,000 tonnes of used car tyres a year into 60mm pieces, with a capacity of 20 tonnes or approximately 3,000 tyres per hour. Now, Advantage West Midlands is taking this work a step further. In the next 3 years, it's hoping to invest £56 million into a series of programs aimed at encouraging regional industries that can seize market opportunities in environmental technology. One key achievement is the Wind Supply Initiative that links business to the fast-growing wind energy marketplace. Converteam Limited is playing a major role in this success story. Today, the company is the UK's biggest exporter of wind technology to both the onshore and offshore wind industry.
For us, the benefit of the wind supply programme has been able to have access to a team of specialists in areas that perhaps we haven't necessarily got that level of expertise, but also a company that's got a very large database of suppliers So they've helped us identify suppliers. They've been able to take workload offers by going and doing, shall we say, due diligence on those suppliers to verify their capability, ensuring that we don't have to talk to companies that don't have the capabilities that we need.
Up to now, Convert Team has exported more than 2,500 megawatts of power conversion equipment. As a result, the UK wind energy industry is seen today as a competitor on the global scale, with other more established companies in Denmark, Germany and Spain. Advantage West Midlands is convinced that the future of the region lies in an eco-friendly economy and sees the future of the home of the Industrial Revolution as being the home of the low-carbon economy.
A low-carbon economy makes very good business sense. Anything that improves efficiency in the manufacturing processes and services and reduces reliance on energy makes very good sense. But actually, there's a massive market opening up there, forecast to be worth £46 billion by 2015, and that provide lots of opportunities for businesses to diversify and take advantage of this brave new low-carbon world.